Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this NVIDIA card. It's a graphics card from NVIDIA created by ASUS but with NVIDIA chipset. It is an NVIDIA RTX GeForce RTX 5070. 12 gigabytes DDR7 memory. This is the minimum what we want. 12 gigabytes is the minimum that we want on the days of today. Not 8 gigabytes but 12 gigabytes is the very bare minimum. This card is very capable. It is quite good. We are going to install this later, so check out that other videos. And I also want to tell you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are giving away laptops, computer stuff, all kind of stuff. You only have to subscribe to our channel, and when you win something you will get notified. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because of the great prizes that we give away. If you subscribe you can win something, so just hit the subscribe button and then yes, you will get notified when you win something. We are going to unbox this now. As you see here, there is some how do you call it, some plastic thing around it. Voila. Doesn't seem to be easy to slide it open. Voila, now it slides open. Voila, here you see it, ASUS in search of incredible. It's a completely black box with NVIDIA in it. So it is it comes with this thing. I think it's a manual. I'm not going to read it all, I just show it to you. It is some manual, how you install things, stuff like that. It's the usual thing, I guess. If you don't understand how to install graphics cards, it's better that you read it. If you know what you are doing, you don't have to read it. So I just show it to you, and then you have here the graphics card. So what I want to show you before we see the graphics card, that's this connector. That's the new generation connector for NVIDIA that goes to 2x8 ports for the power supply unit. And then here we have some, I'm not sure, that's for the band for the cable management, I guess. And then here you have the card itself. Okay. There is one thing that is weird. This is sealed, as you can see it is sealed. Voila. But the weird thing is, and I found it directly, there is no plastic cap over the PCIe ports. So I find this kind of strange, because this card is actually not the cheapest one. NVIDIA chipset cost a lot of money, so you expect a stupid piece of plastic over this. It's not there. Maybe they think it's not dangerous, because yeah, it is packed like this, so nothing can go to it. But I prefer for such a graphics card from this price that stupid plastic thing is over the most important piece of the graphics card, you understand? Here they put plastic, I don't understand, here they put plastic caps and here not. If you slide it into your computer, always remove this plastic caps, because otherwise you cannot slide it in. So you remove these plastic caps, and then here, yeah, there is no plastic cap over it. Anyway, we take it like it is. Then I also want to tell you, so you can connect here the electricity cable here like this, and then you can go to your power supply unit. And I also want to tell you, you have here two settings, performance and quiet. It gives the same performance both. I saw it in other reviews. It gives the same performance, but with the quiet setting the phone run less. But it's better to keep it on performance, that's the default setting, because then the fan will spin better, you understand? And if it cools it better, then it loses more heat, and if you lose more heat, then you can get better performance, and then the card will stay longer good. So this was it. This was the box. We are going to install this later, so please check out my other videos with that installation. And then yes, voila. So I put it here with the other cards, and we go to do the installation later. Don't forget to subscribe for the nice prizes that we give away. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and please come back to my channel because we always have some nice things to show to you. So we show you nice things, and I hope you really like it. So I will see you later, and bye bye, and thank you.